Hello, my name is Mickey Roberts. I'm an attorney here in the Atlanta, Georgia area. My practice handles primarily defense of DUIs as well as aggressively defending other serious traffic offenses such as vehicular homicide. Today I wanted to talk to you about what to do if you're stopped by the police in Georgia. This advice is for those who are stopped by police in Georgia only. One of the more common questions I ever get is, what do I do if I'm stopped by the police? Now legally, what you have to do is when the police officer asks you for driver's license and registration, you do have to provide him with that information. And if the police officer asks you to exit your vehicle, you do have to exit the vehicle. Other than that, my instruction is to simply be polite to the police officer, but if the police officer asks you where you have been, where you are going, how much you had to drink, do you have any drugs in your car, you do have the right to politely decline to answer those. And at some point in time you can ask the police officer, Mr. Officer, am I free to leave or am I under arrest? Police officers take training nowadays to try to determine if someone is under the influence of alcohol or drugs. Specifically, there are different phases that they look for. The first phase is any traffic violations. The second phase is what's called personal contact. In other words, they want to see whether your eyes are bloodshot, whether your face is flushed, whether your speech is slurred, whether you give them inconsistent answers to questions that they ask, and whether your walk is unsteady. And the third phase are what are commonly called field sobriety evaluations. Now you never want to do any field sobriety evaluations, which are the evaluations that the police officer wants you to do on the side of the road, and can include anything from what's called the horizontal gaze nystagmus test, which is an eye test, walk and turn, one leg stand, ABCs, finger to nose, and even a portable breath test on the side of the road. Those are completely voluntary in Georgia, and you have the right to refuse them, and actually should refuse them. In my next video I want to get into specific details on these field sobriety evaluations, how they are administered, and why you should absolutely never agree to take the field sobriety evaluations. Thank you.